Yo, what's up you guys? Finesse the Barber. Today is the day, Barbercon LA. I'm saying I'm about to head out. I was gonna use my super professional camera to record this today, but I mean, I'm gonna just rock out my little GoPro and get it in with this. So if there's like a major change in quality part itself, I don't feel like lugging around a big ass camera today, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, I know you guys will love the footage because, I mean, I'm not gonna give y'all nothing but greatness. Follow me, stay tuned. I'll be rocking out with another dope barber today. His name is Lane Bracy, you know what I'm saying? FinessenKutz. Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Yes, sir, out here with my boy, Lane Bracy, you know what I'm saying? Everybody say, you know what I'm saying, I got a twin out here. You know what I'm saying? There he is. He's a barber too, FinessenKutz. Make sure y'all check him out. I mean, we about to go to Barbercon and get it rocking, so stay tuned. Him in a Tessie.
Look at my bitch, she drip. She on that 2-piece shit. That nigga son about action. Doing that movie shit. I'm on that 2C shit. That's my sexy bitch.
The main thing I want to do today at Barbercon is just meet some new people, meet some different creatives, some of the barbers that like I really started off watching and just like learning from off of YouTube and stuff. So hopefully they're not weird, hopefully it's no egos, you know what I'm saying, because people can have a lot of egos and shit. And I also want to see what kind of products is there, because you know sometimes at Barbercon these companies and brands like showcase or premiere their products there, so I really want to see what's available. Yeah man, I'm excited, you know what I'm saying, I'm excited to show y'all this Barbercon LA thing. It's my first time being here, it's a new experience, so let's get this shit. So we coming up on the venue, want to see what it's talking about. It's a little line out here, want to stand out here and see what they talking about, see if I notice anybody out here. I'm excited. Y'all excited? I'm excited. I mean, you excited?
I think so.
See y'all in a minute.
So
We in line right now. This shit is wrapping all the way around the corner. It's going that way, all the way up this way. This is why it's good to know people. You know what I'm saying? Your network is your network, so you don't have to stand in lines like this. But we here.
Hot as fuck.
You know what I'm saying? Neck sweating, getting tan lines around the hat line. But you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make it happen. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, what up guys? My name is Luis. I've been cutting for about 7 months now. I'm cutting out from the Bay Area. If you want to book me today, you can find me under Booksy at ScorpioLouis.com. And then my social media for Instagram is ScorpioLouis.
I got a bitch, she bad.
So we just got in the venue. So we're about to start moving around, see what's available, see who's here. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna make it an event. Let's get it.
Doing that movie shit. I'm on that 2C shit. That's my sexy bitch. I'm so in love with the bunny. They put a ring in the bitch. These niggas know me as Prince, but I'm a king of your bitch. I ain't playing no game with these niggas. Cause just like Nintendo, they switch.
Wow, that's really retro.
We ain't gotta tell nobody. We can keep shit on the hush. Fuck all the distractions, just focus on us. Done with these talkers, I know what I want. You could cut Brody was fucking with it off. Now all of that shit y'all was doing is done. Remember the first time I bought a gun, and I wanna show your ass all just like it. Pretty little drone, she think I like it. Got her own money, goddamn it, I like it. I like a low keep shit, keep quiet. I don't wanna keep you in the dark, but these bitches that hate me go claim that I'm someone I'm not. You gotta pick up the phone when I call, I ain't safe where I'm from, niggas keep getting shot. Just so that I ain't outside on no tough guy shit. When you see that I keep me a Glock, I wanna see you a lot. Soon as I finish this song, hope you already be on the block. Food for thought, I'ma feed you a lot. I don't care if you greedy or not. Independent but need you a lot. Throw you some money, you need you or not. Put you on game and invest in your plans. I ain't your man and they don't understand. I feel like if I just let this shit go, I'm inside on my soulmate. Fuck all that games, girl, I'm done with the roleplay. Let's go, let's go. Talk to me.
So far it's been cool, you know what I'm saying? I had to take my hat off, I was sweating too much. And so far it's been cool. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. You know what I'm saying? I thought it was gonna be more people here.
How much you spend so far?
I spent $3. I ain't seen nothing that's making me like, yeah, I gotta get that. If I could find some spritz or some good holding spray, I'd cop that. But I don't really see nothing that's like, that's not like already out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Can't hear the things that you don't say. How we in love, but we not together. That type of shit is not okay. This shit we doing is toxic. Need to relax and just figure out what we doing.
Just finished the event. It's not over, but we leaving, we out. We did what we came to do. You know what I'm saying? Got to meet a lot of dope ass barbers. Got to make some fire connections with some brands. And spend some money. I don't know how much you spend?
Probably somewhere $75.
Oh, he got money. He got money. Nah,
I gotta do some cuts now.
Yeah, exactly, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know how much I spent. I'm gonna show you all everything I got when I get back to the studio. But it was a really dope event. I can't wait to put myself on the, one of the panels. Next Barbercon, I'm definitely gonna do that. If you're a barber and you're just starting, or you know, you've been doing this for some years, you know, think about how you can elevate yourself and think about, you know, what you need to do to take yourself to the next level and really pay attention to the details. Because as I'm sitting there listening to everything that they're saying, is literally things that I feel like I've been preaching and embedding into others for years, and it's just refreshing to hear it. So, you know, with that being said, I'm out, Lane's out. Like the video. I ain't do this for no reason. All right? Man, just got back from Barbercon, LA. You know what I'm saying? Today was a great day. I got a bag full of goodies. You know what I'm saying? I want to show you guys what I got real quick. So, yeah, just give me a second. I made some really dope connections. I got to meet Sophie. Took a lot of pictures on my Fuji of a lot of dope barbers, a lot of people in just some drippy fits. You know what I'm saying? Give me 1 second. Let me get comfortable. All right, so this is pretty much everything I got. I got a used razor container because I needed one of these. I got some combs. I got some hair holding spray. You know what I'm saying? Keeping the hair firm and fresh. Got some of this, some crisp, feel me, liquid edge. I have some Rico sauce enhancements. You know what I'm saying? This is what I use for my enhancements on my clients. My boy Rico, got some of that. And I got some more combs. Very simple, effective, you feel me? I didn't really feel like I needed too much. I just needed like some of the bare essentials. So, you know, but Barbercon was great. I got some really good GoPro footage. I'm gonna show you guys that. And you know, I highly encourage anybody that's new or starting in barbering to really pay attention to the details and just really pay attention to the whys and the hows of the game. Because this game will treat you very well if you treat it well. And you know, a lot of things will speak for you before you even open your mouth. So whether it be your person or your work. So just pay attention to the details and you know, you'll be all right. You know what I mean? Understand why you're doing this and why you want to get better and bigger at it and keep going. So that's about it.
Match my underwear cause I got his shoes. Yeah, I got his shoes. Yeah, I got his shoes. I got his shoes. Yeah, I got his shoes. Yeah, I got his shoes. Yeah, I got his shoes. I do. Ooh. I want my top down on the coupe. I want a big house with the view. I want a hot tub in the pool. And I want a couple kids like two. I want a studio in every room, so every time I record it feel new. I said I love this shit when I was young, and honestly I can say it's still true. I got my bands up, band up. I ain't that nigga I used to be. This is me reintroducing me. They really appreciate my value. They got used to me. They got used to me.